Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and we are doing something on my channel today that I actually haven't done in a while. It's an unboxing. So we are going to unbox I forget what the company is called now. It is Glam Box. Now, they have been having lots of shipping issues where their boxes wouldn't go out for months, people weren't receiving them, or they were receiving more than one box, or all sorts of weird stuff was going on with the shipping. So she said that since there were all these shipping issues, that she would send out the August month's box with all palettes. Now, I had never subscribed to this because I had seen other people subscribe to it, and I'm just like, it's not really my thing. But when they said all palettes, that kind of got me. I believe that it was $24.99. It's a monthly subscription, $24.99, and they usually have 5 to 7 makeup items, and it's a mystery. And she does a lot of indie brands, and she also does a lot of offbeat brands like Okalon and some of those duper type brands that you can get on Amazon. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. It's luck of the draw, honestly. So this is that. I finally got it in the mail. I didn't see anyone else make a video about this yet, so I wasn't sure if other people aren't getting them, and I got lucky, but I thought that I would make a video just because I know a lot of you guys are curious and I'm curious. So here we are, let's do it together. And look, I actually managed to wait before I got on camera for you guys, so you should be very, very proud of me. This is a new step. So 5 palettes. Makeup brush, do your job. Got it. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Woo-hoo. Little peek there. And let's see what we got. Came just in a very, very loose bit of bubble wrap, so I am a little worried about the integrity of these palettes. But let's open it up. Maybe I'll be surprised. Maybe she knows something I don't. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items here. The first thing right on top, it is looks like a blush palette by Beauty Treats, Blush on the Go. I'm pretty sure I will never use this. This is definitely not my style, so I will put that aside to go in a declutter / sale box or giveaway box or some other box of stuff that is not going on my face. The next one we got in here is Be a Bombshell palette. And I don't see a brand on here. It just says Bold. I got the Bold palette. I don't see a brand on here, but one thing that's nice is that does have like an eyeshadow look on the back. Tells you how to use the shadows that are included, which I think is very, very handy. The color story is very interesting. Ah, there we go. It comes with one of those cheap little brushes that I actually haven't seen in a while. I've read that these are making a comeback. A lot of people on the makeup groups that I'm subscribing are swearing by these, especially for like lower lash line and things like that. People love these, and for cut creases even. So maybe I'll give it a try. All right, let's give a little swatchy. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, well, that's patchy AF. Ooh, that is not good. Cute little package, and it is not good. This is not good at all. This is not good. Do not recommend. This little chart on the back is not helping anybody. So let's see, maybe we'll have some winners. We'll keep going. Next we have a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, I mean, it's not super my style, but I mean, it's pretty. Let's give them a swatch here on the other side. Well, at least they're showing up. Let's see how they swatch on the skin. It's not great either. It's not great. It's okay. I mean, like if you are okay with layering and you don't like a lot of pigment and you like a more subtle eyeshadow look, it doesn't feel as disgusting as the other palette. It's just okay. So, I mean, this might be really someone's jam just because it's not super pigmented and it's a little bit more subtle. If you just want like a quick, sweep, subtle look, this might be okay. All right. We got 2 more palettes in here. The next one is the Okalan liquid eyeshadow. Now, if you guys saw my declutter video, you know that I have not had good luck with Okalan. I actually threw an Okalan palette away because I got so mad. It was this palette that looked so pretty. I think it's called the Natural Earth palette, and it's got this really, really beautiful shine. I was like, oh, these are gonna be amazing. And then you swatch it, and it was an overspray. It was complete, the shadow underneath was completely different. It was dull, dirty, dusty. So ever since then, I'm like, Okalan, And then I saw those other palettes and how terrible they were. But I mean, this actually looks really, really pretty. And they look pretty good there also. Let's swatch them. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow. It just looks just like the other palette, only way more intense and way prettier. Wow, those are a lot better. And I know I swatched in a weird place. I am so sorry. I'm just running out of room. Oh, wow, those are pretty. Yeah, those are actually really, really nice. I'm shocked. This is by far the best palette in the bunch so far. All right, there is one more palette left. And this is Hikari, the Butterfly Effect. Oh, that is quite pretty. Look at that. That is quite attractive. It's got a gold foil butterfly, and then it's got a really, really beautiful design. Oh, and the palette is also very pretty. I know I get Hikari in a lot of other subscription boxes too, and I haven't been totally mad at the products that I get. I get some, it's like hit or miss with them. So let me give another swatch after I clean my fingers here. That fusion shade is really, really pretty. That's pretty. Let's swatch a few of these on my arm. Wow. Sorry for the green swatch there. I couldn't get it off. But those are actually very nice. They went on very pigmented, very buttery. They're very, very soft. I'm actually excited to get a little bit of use out of this palette. This is a very pretty palette. So out of the 5 palettes, there are 2 that I'm curious and would like to get more use out of. That is the Okalan Liquid Metal Eyeshadow Palette and the Hikari Butterfly Effect Palette. These are both very, very cute. So I'm definitely excited to play with these. Let me know if you want to see a look done with these, or if you want to play with these on a live chat or anything like that. I would love to hear your opinions. So that is it. It really was an all palette bag. I think that this was questionable of whether or not it could be considered a palette, because this, I really don't know who would get a lot of use out of this. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is just me being a snob. It's just not my thing. So, I mean, for what I paid for the bag, $24.99, is 2 usable palettes worth it? Don't know. It depends on how much I end up liking this palette and this palette. So we will see. I am sure it won't be the worst deal I've ever gotten in the world. So, I mean, I'm not furious about this bag. The only thing I am kind of sad about is it didn't come with the cute little outer packaging that I've seen all the other ones come with. All right, everyone, that is it for me. If you like these types of videos, if you want to see more unboxings and from different types of subscriptions, let me know. I have stopped making videos about the BoxyCharm ones just because I feel like they're overdone and they just don't excite me anymore. So if you still want to see those, let me know. I'll be glad to do it for you guys. And let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, comment, all of it, or don't. I'm just glad you came. Thank you so much, everyone, and I'll see you next time.